Good morning, students. I am your computer teacher from Green Valley English School. So, student, as I had started your chapter app development, in this video we shall learn how to download and install the app from Google Play Store. So, student, next heading of this chapter is downloading and installing an app from Google Play Store. To download and install an app from Google Play Store, student, the following steps are taken. First of all, you have to tap on the Play Store icon on the screen of your device. Second step is that type the name of the app in search bar that you wish to download. Suppose that if you don't know the specific name, then you can type the general description related to that app, students. Third step is that it will display the list of the relevant app, and you can select the most suitable one by tapping on the name of the app, students. After that, our third step is that additional information about the app will be displayed. So check out the reviews and comments of the previous user. If it meets your requirement, then tap the install button to install the app on your device. After few minutes, the app will be downloaded and installed on your phone, student. Now the app is now ready to use. So student, next heading is developing your own app. So children, we use the different type of the app for the different purpose. And do you know how these apps are developed? If you don't know, children, I am telling to you, this app is developed by software developer. Software developer use some special software such as Android software development kit, students, and application programming interfaces software. They also need to learn the XML language, HTML language, and CSS for developing an app, students. So we can also create the app without the knowledge of the so much programming knowledge, student. Some of these companies offer free services which may be limited in usefulness, while others offer premium services but for a fee. So there are two ways to develop an app, student. First way is that an Android app can be developed using the web based app development software. Some of the websites which offer their app builders are AppsBar at the URL address http www.appsbar.com. AppPie, second is AppPie, so it can be accessed by typing the URL of this company. Third is AppyAt. Fourth is AppMakers. Many of these site students offer the use of their app store to promote your app. Second way of creating the app is the using an app builders, and you can make your own app on your smartphone without knowing the so much programming, students. So tap on the Google Play Store icon, and in the search box will be displayed along with the app which are downloaded most often. Type free app builder. in the search box and click on the search button, student, several app builder app will be listed. So student, here in your book we shall learn to create the app by using the AppPy app, students.